All right, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are. All right, assalamu alaikum. So today I'm gonna show you how you can block all the haram categories of ads on your YouTube videos so that your earning will become halal for you. So, all right, let's go. So first of all, come to your browser and open up your channel dashboard. This is my channel's dashboard, and you can see that the settings that we are gonna do is inside the channel dashboard. So if you don't have a laptop, open your channel dashboard in Google Chrome and then select the desktop site. So you will be just fine. All right. Coming here to settings. When you click on settings, this is the general interface of it. You can, of course, change the currency of your earning, but let's leave it. What we are going to deal with is the ad categories. So come here and click on here. So there are three options: URLs, sensitive categories, and general categories. In URLs, if you find an ad which is inappropriate for your audience or according to your Islam, then you can copy the link of that specific ad and paste it here, and then you can block it. So if you ever see any those kind of inappropriate ads on my videos, please share the link of that ad with me, and then I'll block it. Then we have sensitive categories. In sensitive categories, you can block the ads which are which are haram. So, for example, I have blocked 10 sensitive categories of ads. For example, alcohol, bearskin, black magic, astrology, cosmetic procedures in body modification, dating, downloadable utilities, drugs and supplements, gambling, get rich quick, politics, reference to sex, religion, sensationalist, sexual and reproductive health, and okay. No, these are like all of them. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so these are the 10 categories that which I've blocked. So you can see gambling, reference to sex and social casino games. And there are 16 categories of ads here in sensitive categories. So I have blocked 10 of them, and I didn't block religion, of course. I didn't block sensationalist. I didn't block sexual and reproductive health. Of course, this is related to health, and then weight loss. I didn't block weight loss as well. And then we have general categories. In general categories, you can there are like 509 categories in total. I have blocked only one, which is dining and nightlife. So what you have to do is that you have to click on this one, and then you will be given subcategories, and you can see, for for example, clothing, footwear, handbags, and purses, jewelry. So of course, these are the categories which are completely fine and permitted in Islam. So I didn't block them, but if you have to look through all the 509 categories and block the ones that you feel are not appropriate for our religion, and this way you can make your earning halal, inshallah. So I hope this video was helpful. Share it with all your fellow YouTubers whose channels are monetized or are on the way, on the road to become become full-time YouTubers or monetize their channels. So share this video with them, um, you know for as a sadaqah. And then I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah. Goodbye. Have a good one.